Gravity fading slow, leaving all the noise below. The ground is slipping from my feet, a quiet cosmic heartbeat.